In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive tasks in Monday.com. Archiving is a simple, reversible way to keep your boards clean without permanently deleting work. It's perfect for tasks that are done or paused, and it helps your team focus on what's active right now. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and navigating to the board or view labeled Trial Management. Task 1. The process I'm showing works the same way on any board. So even if your board has a different name, you can follow along exactly. Give the board a moment to load so all columns and items are visible. If your board has filters turned on, consider clearing them temporarily so you can see the task you want to archive. Next, find the specific task you want to tidy away. Move your cursor to that task's row and look for the highlighted control that opens the Item Actions menu. Depending on your setup, this is usually the three-dot icon on the far right of the item, or a highlighted button that appears when you hover. Click that highlight to open the menu. If you don't see it at first, hover your mouse over the task name or the far right of the row. Monday.com often reveals these controls on hover to keep the interface clean. With the Actions menu open, click Archive. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. That's it. The task is now archived. The item will disappear from your active board view, which reduces visual clutter and helps your team focus on current priorities. A few quick tips to make this seamless. Archiving does not delete the task. It simply moves it out of your active workspace, and you can restore it later if needed. If your task has subitems, those are typically archived along with the parent, keeping your structure intact. Depending on your board's permissions, you may need the right level of access to archive items. So if the archive option isn't visible, check with your board owner or admin. Also, note that most automations tied to an item won't run while it's archived, and dashboards or mirrored views may stop showing that task once it's archived, which is usually the goal. To recap, open the Trial Management Task 1 board, click the highlighted Actions control on the task you want to clean up, and choose Archive. Use this regularly to keep your boards focused and fast. Thanks for watching, and you're all